In a slide presentation, text boxes help communicate information clearly and to help your audience follow along with your presentation. And you can format text to draw attention to key points. In this video, you will insert, resize, and move a new text box, copy, paste, and align text, and change the formatting of your font. To get started, add another slide to the end of your presentation. Choose a blank layout for this slide. A blank layout allows you to add your own text boxes anywhere on the slide. Add a text box to your blank slide. Then open the starter document from the video page. Copy a portion of text from the document. Then return to the tab with your presentation and paste the text into the text box in your blank slide. Make the text box bigger so that you can see all your text easily. Move the text box to the center of the slide. You can align your text so that it lines up with the left margin. The right margin, the center of the text box. Select the body text and align it to the left. Center the heading. Next, change the font so that it matches the rest of the text in your theme. You can also change the text color. Choose a color that matches your theme and that stands out clearly from the background. Your audience will be able to read your presentation more easily if you choose contrasting colors, like a light color on a dark background. Increase the font size. Your presentation will be projected for an audience. Using a larger font size will make your text easier to see from far away. Bold text that contains the most important information to make it stand out more. Next, go back to the beginning of your presentation. Highlight important information to make it stand out for viewers. Select the text by clicking the mouse button and holding it down as you drag your cursor over the text. You can also use highlighting within a block of text to make sure that your audience notices important information. Select the text and choose a highlight color. You may also want to use capitalization to call attention to titles, headings, or specific words in your presentation. Go back to the section heading layout slides. These slides let your audience know that you are moving on to a new idea in the presentation. Change the types to uppercase to make the new idea clear and interesting. Now it's your turn. Add a blank slide and create a text box. Copy and paste text from the starter project into your text box. Resize and move the text box. Align the text, change the font, text size, and color in bold, highlight, and change the text to uppercase.